Here's a certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New car test drive rights. The Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.